hanging text effect in Canva, step by step. Step 1. Open Canva and create a blank YouTube thumbnail canvas. Step 2. Fill it with any color of your choice to create the background. Step 3. Insert a text box. Type the first letter of your hanging text. Set the font to League Spartan and increase the size. Step 4. Apply a shadow effect. Since the lift shadow option is not available in the new Canva editor, you can use drop shadow or glow instead. Step 5. Duplicate the text box and replace it with the remaining letters to complete your word. Step 6. Insert a line and a circle, group them together, and position them above each letter to create a hanging effect. Step 7. Align everything properly to make the design look clean and balanced. Your hanging text effect is now ready.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.